Welcome. In this episode, we will be assembling parts 1-46A to G, the injector water valve assemblies. Let's get assembling. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be assembling the injector water system. So we've got the parts open already, but let's open up the assembly MMGS. And ignore that down the bottom there. Let's see now. And wheel, spindle seal, nut. Try and see which one I want to bring in first. Wait, might bring that one in. Yeah, that'll do. That can be start. There we go. Okay, so that is, what part is that? B. So let's bring in A. Put A there. B. C's next. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's about one of the beautiful. Oops, sorry. Okay, so this goes in the end of that, so in the end of here, and this. Where's this whole line up? Oh, I see. It probably turns and lets down and that. Okay. Well, if that's the case, then mate that with that, but rotate around, thank you. That cylinder with that cylinder. There we go. There we go, beautiful. Now, this one, I'll go inside there, which actually faces the right way. Beautiful. Done. Now this face and this face. There we go. Beautiful. Now this thing probably spin. So let's see what happens. Okay, so that's done, that's done, that's done. That can go back and forth, that's fine. Me click OK. Just to lock them in. Save her up. Oh, okay, we haven't. This is assembly SA-110. This is one we actually mentioned earlier in one of the earlier episodes. So after this one, we'll be actually adding a lot of this stuff to the chassis already done, and we'll be starting parts 2 onwards. This is the last of the parts 1 dash numbers. But right now, let's see, D. Let me bring D in. We'll go down the order. D goes there, but I don't know which way it turns. I think it turns the other way. I think it rotates around the other way. So, mate, that one, and that one. But let me rotate it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that way. It's hard to tell in the thing there. So, in the drawing. Okay, so that's D. Let me bring in E now. E, come on. E. Let me bring in F. Let me bring in F. What's F? Oh, it's not in this part. Okay. F's not used yet. F must be somewhere else. It might be in the other part. Okay, that's fine. But we do want G. There we go. So let me just delete that one, because that's not included yet. So save that. Beautiful. Mate. That one with that one. Oh, there we go. Let me do that face with that face. Beautiful. That circle. Beautiful. Got it. with that circle, and done. There we go. Cool. I think that's it. So let me just zoom out. Zoom out. So we got this piece, got that piece, got that one, got the ring, got that one and that one. Cool. Let me just bring this down a bit to show you that way closer. There we go. So that is that piece assembled. Okay, so next episode we're going to add stuff to the chassis. So thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, subscribe, comment. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.